Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, I wanted to get on and talk about something that might seem a little odd. I don't know if you've heard of this, but it is a Danish practice that the people of Denmark, it's a word that describes more of a feeling than an actual doing or action. So it looks like it would be pronounced Hygge or Hygge or something like that, but it's actually pronounced Hygge, which is really odd, but cool. Because my English speaking brain just kind of looks at those letters together and feels like it should sound different, but I'm going to try to remember to call it Hygge. And the reason why I wanted to bring this up is because Hygge is all about the feeling of cozy. And to me, it's like, it's that that yin energy that we're trying to bring forth and cultivate and nurture, right? So Hygge is all about soft textures and comfort and cozy and warm. And so if you're like me, and if you live somewhere cold, winters can be a struggle. So for me, I really struggle with winter. I really struggle with being cold all the time. And it affects my mood. So I have to work really hard at making sure that I don't, just sink into a little hole for the winter months. I do tend to hibernate. And so what I've been trying to do the last few years, and one of the reasons why we purchased a sauna, was to sort of create an atmosphere of Hygge in my house that's cozy and warm and inviting. And so soft lighting and candles and blankets and then Hygge isn't just about like solitary, coziness. It's also about inviting people into your space and creating opportunities for connection and sharing that's very easygoing, very gentle, right? So, potlucks and game nights and things like that sort of follow in that Hygge tradition. So how does this relate to your sex life? Well, if you're cultivating that kind of energy, then overall it's going to create that atmosphere that's more conducive to connection and to gentleness and to the erotic, right? So engaging in all of the senses through, things that we can smell and touch and taste and all of that and see and stuff like that. So creating that atmosphere, creating that environment of, that soft place to land at the end of the day, that place where you can go to feel safe, because that's one of the foundations to really great sex. And whether you're, having partner sex or whether you're doing solo sex, feeling that safety, feeling that groundedness, feeling that connection is really conducive to really great sex. And so that's why I wanted to kind of get on there and get on here and share that sort of a different view on it. And so it's not just about sex. I say that all the time, but if we're looking to create more abundance in one area of our lives and more positive interactions, then it's going to spill over into other areas of our lives. So even if sex isn't something that you're looking to focus on right now in physical intimacy with your partner, just creating that atmosphere of coziness and comfort can help to create space for maybe conversations that need to be had, whether it's with your spouse or romantic partner, or whether it's with someone else in your life, right? Maybe if you create the right environment to have tough conversations, it's a little bit easier to have them. So I hope this helps, and I hope that you'll consider maybe do a little Google search. Like I said, it's spelled Hygge, YGGE, and just kind of like, or Pinterest it, right? There's all kinds of really great ideas for creating coziness and comfort around your, in your environment and around your life. So I hope this helps. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.